Hi everybody, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on this fridge. As you have seen, it's quite disorganized. This is where I normally put my milk, like batch cooked food and meat that needs to stay in the freezer. That's the size of the freezer. And then over here we have eggs, anything, some fruits, yogurt, like everything is just everywhere. So I want to remove all of these, get it cleaned, then arrange it back there. All right, then on this other side we have the fruits, the fresh vegetables that I need to wash and store in the freezer. So let's get this started, and I hope that you're going to enjoy and get some value from this video. All right, so if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, make sure you put the notification bell on, leave a comment and like this video, and I will really appreciate it. Okay, so let's get started. Hello, and at this point I'm washing my coriander, and I just wanted to come on here to explain, or rather just talk about how I normally like to clean my coriander. This is every time I buy it from the market. It's normally very soily. It has particles of soil, and that's why I'm washing it the last as the last item for these veggies washing. So I like to just pick one by one, making sure that I'm removing all that. Some leaves usually are spoiled, so I also have to make sure that I remove that as well. Yeah, and I'm curious to know, how do you clean your coriander? Do you just buy on a daily basis, then clean and cook, or if you are storing them in the fridge like me, what is your process? So normally this is what I'll do, and it's really quite effective. All right, so let me see in the comments, and if you came across this video, make sure you subscribe if you are new, and also leave a like. When you like this video, it will be sure to reach more people and we'll be able to grow. We are on the road to 100 subscribers. This channel is still very new, and I'm happy that you found time to come and watch today's video. All right. So I've spent 30 minutes cleaning that up, although I wasted about like 10 minutes cleaning under the sink. Apparently one of the draining pipes is leaking, so I had to fix that. Yes, so this is how I normally store my fresh veggies. On a good day, I would have waited until they dry up to arrange them, but I'm just going to go with how it is, because in the interest of time. These are the tomatoes. Normally the trick is to place them facing down, this side, this part of the tomato facing down, all right, and then put the unripe ones at the bottom. I forgot these ones, but no worries, as we use the ripe ones, we'll just be replacing like that as we go on. All right, and then here I have lemons, and under I have some oranges. And then I have my green pepper. The idea is to wrap them in cling film, but these are just two which I know we'll be using either today or tomorrow, so no need to wrap them. What I will wrap though is these ones, because I don't want them to get spoiled in the fridge. And then for the carrots, normally I prefer putting them in a Ziploc, then put them like in batches of how I'll be cooking them, but I don't have my Ziploc bags. I finished all of them. I need to buy and restock them. Yeah, so I don't know, for some reason I feel like if I place them facing down like this, they'll last longer. I don't know why, but yeah, so that's how I've put them. So we'll just be picking one when we need to cook. Okay, so I left these ones out because they'll be used to cook today. All right. And then for the coriander, the dania, I've cleaned them up. I really like to clean them thoroughly because of the dirt, the soil and all that. Yeah, so these ones I'll have to let them drip the water a bit, then chop them, put them in small containers and put in the fridge. All right, so now that I'm done cleaning the veggies, I'm going to clean up the fridge, organize it and put this back in there. So the hard part is done. I've removed everything from the fridge. I'm just going to now wipe these shelves, remove any dirt that has accumulated. As you can see, there was a spill there. That must have been some milk or medicine. And then I'm going to arrange everything back in there. I haven't removed the eggs because I mean they're better placed there. And then for these Nakuja baba. So this is baking powder and this is bicarbonate of soda. If you know the difference, please let us know in the comment section. But what I know is that they both have baking soda, or rather bicarbonate of soda, which helps to absorb bad odors in the fridge. So I normally place them at this very corner of the fridge. So that's where I normally place them, and I've never had any issues with a stinking fridge. So it does the work. And now my plan is to get a nice container to hold it instead of just putting it in these boxes. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna leave that one there, or maybe remove when I'm wiping, and then we'll be done. So this is everything that was in the fridge. These are my freezer meals. I need to add some more cereals, the cabbage and all that. Yeah, so what I want to do here is put the water mixture that I'll be using to wipe the fridge. And I'm going to use a bit of this Morning Fresh super concentrate dish soap. I'm going to use just a very tiny bit, as like that, because I'm cleaning the fridge. On normal cases, I never use any soap at all on my fridge. So I'm going to mix that with water, let it be very dilute. All right, so that's what I'm doing. The other thing I will add is some vinegar. Let me just pick it up. So here's the vinegar, and I'm just going to put just a bit of it as well. As you saw earlier, I also use it to clean the vegetables, so that, you know, the vegetables look this clean. As you can see, that's a really clean carrot, tomatoes and lemons there. All right, so that water is full. I need to add just like a drop. I'm gonna put a drop. If I had a measuring spoon for it, I would use it, but yeah, I want you to see the drop, not a lot. Yeah, that's kind of a lot, but it will be okay, no problem. So I'm going to use this mix to first kind of wash it, then rinse it with plain water. I have my kitchen cloth, that's what I'll be using. All right, so let's get to it. Wow. I was really trying the easy way out of this but it seems I have to remove these, wash them in the sink. I was hoping to just wipe them while they're on the fridge, but I have to remove them. As you've seen, there was a spill here from somewhere here, and then it went all the way down, and it was really looking bad over here. So while the soap is soaking all that dirt, I will come and scrub again and leave this also scrubbed. As you can see, we have just bits of stains. I'll be washing these other ones in the sink, yeah, so that when I come I'll just wipe it down. Yeah, it's never easy cleaning a fridge. There's no easy way to clean a fridge. I mean, you can't leave that anywhere. So I need to remove this as well, wash them, bring them back in one piece. while they're also clean. For the freezer part, I don't want to touch it, yeah, because I've already removed the ice part, but I will wipe it. I will wipe it with fresh water cloth. This one is kind of soapy. As you saw, we put some dish soap. I don't want it going there. All right, so let me get into it. Stains are looking up. As you can see, the stains, most of the stains are gone. I've been able to wipe it down, and the soap really helped because, good morning Imani, because the stain was really tough. But I still have one final coat to do, one final wiping down, and then we'll be done with this. All right, yes, so far so good. So one trick to keep your bananas fresh for long is to wrap this part with a cling film, all right, and put your bananas in your fridge just like that. Quite simple. It helps to preserve the bananas for a longer time. All right, I've been doing this for the past 1 year and it has been working well. All right, so I'm just going to put them in the fridge. The other bunch I didn't do that because this part is kind of still fresh, so it will be fresher for long. But this, as you can see, the bananas are already very ripe and we don't want overripe bananas. All right, and that is everything in the fridge. I have some tomato paste which I normally place just there. Yeah, so my fridge needs a bit more restocking. But for the freezer side here, I'm going to boil some more cereals. I have the lentils. I also have some black beans, njahe, if you know them like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna put them in the freezer. Here I have some managu that I got from the market. I couldn't show you actually because immediately they got here we started working on them. Over there we have some boiled meat, so I'm gonna boil some more cereals and put in the freezer. Down here is my milk area. I put milk here mostly. Then I'm putting this bread here because if I don't, it's going to get spoiled, and I have some other bread there already. This is ginger. I normally like to store my ginger like this. Let me show you just a piece. So you get your ginger from the market, wash it, put it in your fridge, yeah, instead of accumulating the soil in your kitchen cabinet. Then down there you have some cabbage, which I'm going to add an extra one, a watermelon that should be finished today, so that we can put the other melon there, yeah. And then there are my bananas. And then down here, the fresh this part, I have the rest of the things which will stay there for a really long time, fresh. All right, so I decided to put these ones here because time is running out, you know, and I'm supposed to wrap them with a cling film, but they're still kind of fresh. They'll survive like that. Then my juice is there, yogurt, and then this is for like if you have medicine and things like that. Baking soda there, eggs, and that's it. The fridge is clean, fridge is done, and I'm happy with the results. All right, yeah, so let me try and take a photo for the thumbnail. This is the best part.